This is called compare. I am comparing the two apples. This is called celebrate. We are celebrating the birthday together.
This is called describe. I am describing the picture.
This is called invite. I am inviting my friend to the party.
This is called design. I am designing a new dress.
This is called slide. The boy is sliding down. This is called organize. I am organizing my desk.
This is called search. I am searching for my toy.
This is called repair. I am repairing the toy car.
This is called share. I am sharing my snacks with my friend. Please, the two apples carefully. B. Compare. We are going to her birthday tonight. B. Celebrate. Can you this picture for the class? C. Describe. I want my friends to the party. C. Invite. She likes to clothes on paper. A. Design. The boy likes to down the playground slide. B. Slide. I need my desk before studying. C. Organize.